Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Got beans up about a nickel, corn up a penny, wheat down about a penny. Outside markets, crude still a little bit lower, and the dollar's rallying a little bit from earlier lows. As far as South American weather is concerned, still more of the same. Dryness in Argentina and southern Brazil, while normal weather across northern Brazil. Had one private group come out and say they think that the Brazil soybean crop is around 107 million tons. USDA is 108. Corn crop 88 million tons, USDA is 95. They do, though, think that those crop sizes, especially beans, could get bigger if the weather continues good in the northern two-thirds of Brazil. Still a little caution about the dryness in southern Brazil. They estimate the Argentina soybean crop at 55 million tons versus USDA's 57. Argentina corn at 42 versus USDA's 42. And again, caution a little bit about those numbers could drop if dryness continues through Argentina. We also noted yesterday that U.S. weekly export inspections for wheat were running 7% behind USDA's numbers, 7% behind a year ago, and USDA's 5% decline. Corn still 43% behind a year ago. USDA is looking for a 16% decline, and beans are 12% behind versus USDA's forecast of a 4% increase. So a little bit of suspect, especially in corn and bean export numbers. Recently, the USDA came out with some baseline projections through the year of 2027. So they're looking at corn acres to drop to 87.5, but the yield could actually be 191.5, and keeping carryouts around 2.6 billion. Wheat acres could be up to 48 million acres. The yield could be around 51, and the carryouts around 670, 675. And for beans, the acres could go up to 91.5, a yield that could be around 53, and a carryout around 340. So again, those projections assume normal weather. They assume normal demand paces, not big competition for U.S. exports either from South America or from the Black Sea. And so a lot of those numbers could change, especially on the export side. Funds yesterday bought beans and meal, sold corn, wheat, and oil. Continue to be long beans, and adding to their meal long. Added yesterday to their short in corn and still short wheat. So yesterday we had a rally in the beans. Saw some farmers selling here in the United States, which backed the market off, and backed some of the basis off too. So we'll just kind of see if the commercial wants ownership right now with the uncertainty of U.S. export demand to China versus Brazil. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable